Alright, what's up, you guys? First video, dropped it since I started recording. Yeah, like I said, first video. I've been in the balisong community for a while now. Yeah, the Bingodong guy. Yeah, here I have the, Markulu 51 trainer. And you're probably wondering, oh, hey, where'd the screw, what other screw? It fell out, so I decided to put a sucker stick thingy in it and a rubber band to keep it in place. It actually works okay. And if you don't have a screw and you're trying to fix your balisong, just do that, I guess. I think that's coming out. It's a little oversized, not undersized. I don't know. But I don't have a lot of balisongs, so I don't have like a Kraken or an Alpha Beast or a Rep. But, have a, one of those shitty CSGO balisongs. Flips like trash. It's a little sharp. I sharpened it a little bit. Don't mind what's so scratched up. I scratched up with a rock. Don't ask questions about that. We're just gonna toss that up over there. So, yeah, I'm gonna start doing YouTube, I guess. I've had like not multiple, but I had another channel I posted on. Wasn't allowed to have YouTube at the time. So, I don't know. I'm gonna start posting guests. I'm not gonna say how much, probably frequently, but yeah. Probably gonna get a Nautilus soon, or a Kraken trainer, probably even a Squid trainer or a Triton. But yeah. Oh, that's it. Yeet.